Hey folks, you guys ever have a doing your brakes and you have a sliding caliper bolt that's jammed, had a hard time coming out, and it's not smooth? All right, because it should go in and smooth and slide very nicely. But if you have one that's giving you a hard time going in, okay, it's probably rusty in there. Like this here has a little rust here. Got to clean it out. You know what's good? Right here, a little brush. Okay, this is an engine cleaning brush. It cleans all the oil galleries and everything in there. They sell it at Harbor Freight as a whole kit for like 20 bucks. Otherwise, these at swap meets is usually about $2. All right, attach it to a drill, squeeze it right in here, and let it do its magic. Shake it all off. And watch what happens. Now it's going to go in a lot smoother once I get it in there. There it goes. See that? That's the way it should be. Okay? If you have any binding, that's going to wear out your brakes a lot faster than it's supposed to. Okay? That's it there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire brush this thing too. I could probably use this. What do you think? Once it's wire brushed, lube it up with some sliding grease on there for the calipers, and you are good to go. Like I said, if this thing ever binds, you're going to notice that your brake's going to wear out a lot faster, especially on that one side. Let me show the brake pads from this car. All right, these are the brake pads from that car. This is the side with the stuck caliper slider. See, still got meat on this side. If you notice the way the wear pattern is, if you notice, it's thicker here and it's thinner here. That's because one of the bolts was binding, okay? And that's why, oh, you could probably look at here too. This is thinner here and fatter there. Compared to the other side, which is the driver's side, those brake pads are only half one. See that? There's the material right there. So yeah, if you had a stuck caliper, that's what happened to your brake pads. All right, and especially it's usually, for some reason, it's always on the driver. It's on the passenger side, especially if you're in the northeast here, because that's the way all your curb and your puddles seems to be, and splashing everything is always on the right side. So a lot of your rust is always going to be always on the right side more than the left side. All right, that's what you want. Smooth, people, smooth. You want it to move. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.